This is the 12-week module, what we discuss. It is how to present your organization, week 1. This is so powerful, so powerful. So powerful. The testimony you get tomorrow, you'll get to see what that directors are saying, how wonderful it's been for them. Templates for bidding, packs you'll get, where to find contracts, government, private, NHS, how to submit your tender, finding contracts, purpose of the proposal and the project, your job summary, services or products that you will be providing, procurement standards and operation procedures, your SOPs, pricing, information, workdown, breakdown, structure, storytelling, and much more. You want to attract the buyer by you providing the services that they are looking for. I'm so passionate about this because I know it works. But I know it works when you implement and take action. Like me, that's what I did many years ago. Okay? So are you feeling that you want to get to 7 figures in your business, or even 6 figures in your business? Maybe you're an established business owner and you're not knowing where to get further contracts because you've been stuck in one area, maybe home care or recruitment, for example. Do you want to get up to 4,000 hours a week in your business? Maybe you're doing 75 hours or 300 hours a week. You may have a niche, either home care or nursing agency, but you need to do multiple businesses to create a multiple income stream. This is the perfect solution for you. And boy, have I got something massive coming up in the next couple of weeks. It is going to be phenomenal. You'll be absolutely amazed with what we've got coming up for you. So please do stay tuned, join, subscribe. You'll get to see up-to-date information. You don't want to miss out on this. This is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. But this is the opportunity as well. So, like I said, join and learn the secret strategies. The strategies that I discussed in the NHS bidding program is amazing. The knowledge that I've learned over 30 years, I'm passing that on to you so that you can learn and build your business without relying on someone else to build your business for you. You want to learn how, you're a director, you want to learn how to do these things. When you've got the money, then yeah, you may want to pay someone, to keep doing contracts for you. After contracts, that's fair enough. But at the same time, you still want to know how to do these things. Why leave it up to someone else? Why put your business in someone else's hands when you need to learn how to do these things? At least learn how to do it. I'm not saying that you to do it every month, get someone else to do it, but someone has to be doing this in your business because contracts can end. So you've got to always keep replenishing things all the time, constantly. Same with your staff members. You've got to constantly keep recruiting every single week. You don't just recruit when you need some staff members to cover a shift, because only half of those staff members will really go out and do the work because they're, for whatever reason. So you've got to constantly be recruiting every single week in your business. You must do that. You've got to do that. Otherwise things dry up, for example. So just to say, the aim of the NHS bidding program is for you to apply for a minimum of 3 contracts. The boot camp, the aim of that is for you to apply for at least 1 contract. not just sit and watch me. I'm not a TV show. I'm not, I'm not some program that you're watching, a TV program. I'm there to get you to implement and take action for your business, for your livelihood, for your empire, so that you're able to leave that legacy. And I want to be a part of that journey. Just like I've paid over 200 grand for mentors. I'm still in touch with one of my mentors from 9 years ago, Joel Bauer, absolute brilliant mentor, but I've done things, I've done what he's taught me. And that is what I'm meant to do as a mentee. I'm meant to take action, not just watch it and just put things on the shelf and then pick it up whenever I feel like it. You've got to motivate yourself and act on it and remember the why, the reason why you're doing it. It's for your family, your loved ones, for you. You want a better business quality of life, don't you? You can achieve that. And you can do this from home. You don't have to go into an office. You can do it from home and be happy and see to your needs, your family's needs, your friends' needs. It's just, we're in such a strong world now, even though you may not think so, that we can actually work from home. You don't have to be rushing off to work, doing 12-hour shifts for someone else building their empire. Build your own. You're capable of doing that. If I can do it, you can do it. I've been homeless with my 6-week-old baby in a mother and baby unit. That's why I created the mother and baby unit, because I knew what it was like. When I was trying to find somewhere to live, I didn't realize that I could have claimed Social Security. I was working 3 jobs while being pregnant. Then I couldn't work anymore and I couldn't pay my rent. So I was evicted. So I had to go into a mother and baby home in a shelter with a 6-week-old baby. But thank God I found my husband, who's now deceased, of 28 years. I had a wonderful, wonderful marriage, wonderful relationship. I lost my husband. I lost my mother on the same day as my husband of 28 years. But because I had the coaching and because I had the money blocks, the mindset training, I was able to cope. It helped me to push through, even though it's a difficult time for me. And I want the same for you. I'm now remarried. I'm happily married and I'm wonderful, blessed to have a wonderful man in my life, and my children are happy now as well. But, I just want the same for you, that you can do this. If I can do this with what I've been through, then you certainly can as well. Okay? So do book your free 15-minute consultation with us, and we will gladly speak with you, to talk with you, and to see what program is suitable for you, because we have programs from £17 upwards. So, it all depends on where you are and where you want to be as well. And I'd like to help support you in that journey as well. I'd love to be your mentor, your coach in your journey.